Hey, welcome to Hell's Still Garage. Today we got Jake's bike, 2004.
Honda CRF250R.
What's wrong with it?
Valve shims.
How do we know it's a valve shims?
Got to get under here and check clearance.
What's it doing?
Oh, well, it ain't starting when you kick it.
It ain't starting when you kick it. But it'll push start, jump
It'll
start.
push start.
So about a month ago, I'd say we changed the shims out, right?
Mm-hmm.
And it was running fine.
Yeah, like
Tip top. And then all of a sudden now it won't start. So we're going to change the shims again. But obviously there's something wrong with the valves. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
So the valves are wearing quickly. And the valve clearances are getting really tight. Like 0, 0, 0.
0, 0, 0.
So let's get her apart and check the clearance. Right?
Right.
Mm-hmm. Need it. For this bike, I think the diameter was what, 7.46-ish?
Ish.
Yeah, and the local motorcycle shop here, we're not going to say the name, wants $5 per shim. Makes no sense. You get this whole kit with like 140 shims, 3 of each size, for what, 60 bucks off Amazon? What are you going to do? You going to show some stuff what you're doing?
Yeah.
You gonna show me your filthy ass fucking air filter?
Yeah, it's clean. See up yonder?
So your shit keeps failing because of you. Your shit keeps failing because you just grip it and rip it. You don't think of fucking maintenance?
That's the lifestyle. Grip it and rip it.
So what do you think of these Hondas, man?
I like them.
You like them?
Mm-hmm. I
Well,
wish this one didn't eat a valve shim so quick. But
this one over here's got shims about the same time as yours, but mine still starts.
yeah.
I got one of those little digital gauges there since what? I can't say since I changed the oil and shit, because I just put it on the other day, but
Just
that's
before
nice.
fork seals.
Yeah, from Amazon. It was what, 20 bucks from Amazon? It does the RPMs and hour gauge. And I ran it down to the spark plug wire. Of course, I had to cut this wire shorter. And then just kind of ran it around and clipped it. It works good.
UPS.
There's the man. There's the man!
Nice.
Alright, so what do we gotta do, man? You gotta get this fucking hose off.
Gotta take the hose.
So, take that hose off, get these 10 mics off this cover, right?
Yeah.
And let's get to it. We gotta put this thing at top dead center. Let's not forget that.
Mustn't forget it.
So we need to get these two covers off over here, right?
Yeah.
Or is it this one?
I think you just got
That one there.
that one there.
It's a Honda. It's not running. Doesn't matter though. We're working on bikes.
Yeah. Can't be sad.
As long as there's some wrenching to do, who gives a fuck? Man, your steels are looking pretty bad too, guy.
Yeah, I looked at the back of that fork. Leaking a little bit.
Mm-hmm. Might be time for some maintenance for you.
Nice.
What size is that?
That's a 10 millimeter right there.
10 mic. Then we gotta get this side off too. Alright, so he's gonna take the cover off the other side also. Right here. So you want to take your Allen wrench. You want to take that 10, right? Or that 8. You want to put it in there on that bolt. Probably the 8.
Yeah.
And then there's going to be a little dot on the gear. You want to line it up with this right here. You see it?
Yeah. It's kind of lined up. It's lined up.
You're not on the right stroke.
Oh,
The lobes
are forward, not
lobes need to be pointing to the back side. That's how you know you're on the compression stroke.
There.
Yeah. Because there's a nick in this one here, and you
It's supposed to line up.
yeah, you gotta line it up. I don't see shit lined up in here. Hope we're on a compression stroke. Let's go some more. Let's just for shits and gigs. Let's go around one more time.
There.
Nope. Are you lined up?
Not right now, no.
Did you pass it or something? Oh.
That's right.
Oh!
There.
Are you sure you're on? Go back a little bit. Right there.
Yeah, I'm pretty lined up. Yeah.
Okay, so now on this side, there's 2 tick marks that are lined up with this little hash mark here. Top dead center, right?
Top dead center.
I ain't no goddamn professional.
Matching
Alright, so let's check clearances while we're here. You got your feeler gauges or mine?
it. Your feeler gauges.
now if 3 ain't gonna get it, should we drop all the way down to paper?
Let's just take it down to, what,
2.
1.5, that's all we got?
We got 1. Yeah, that's the lowest.
Alright, let's take it down to that one. See if that'll go.
Paper thin. Nowhere. Nothing.
Alright, let's check the exhaust while we're here.
Alright. We'll start up at 8.
Start with 8.
Goes in. All snug.
Go this side. Your exhausts were good last time.
Yeah. Goes in. That one's good.
Alright, so our exhausts seem good.
Our exhausts are good.
You probably will, but I mean, the harder you jam it in, I mean, I'm pretty sure it's going to eventually push that valve open.
Yeah.
So you want to be able to lightly just slide it in and have resistance.
The 8 fit better, but this
Yeah.
one fits, yeah.
So we're good on the exhaust, but when it comes to the intake, basically we're just fucking 0, 0, 0, right?
Yeah.
So where do you start from here? I don't know. We're going to have to just take them off, see what shims are in there, drop some lower ones in there,
Yeah.
put it back on, check it. It's just a guessing game, I think, from right here. So let's get a fucking 10 and get this off.
Alright. We got
Your tick marks here lined up with the
with the
case.
Yeah.
Point them out.
Tick mark over here. Tick mark over there
You want those lined up with the
case.
and then you know your top dead center also and your timing's right. with some righty tighty.
Some righty tighty, some lefty loofy.
Hold this damn camera right here. I had a different screwdriver last time. So put the screwdriver in and turn it. Keep cranking. And then you give it one little oomph, and then it'll lock it in place. Right?
Right.
So the gear doesn't move, the bearings move, we slide the bearing.
Yeah.
So we can tilt this down. And then we're gonna have to put the screwdriver in there to hold it from falling in, right?
Yeah. Make sure it's marked, I guess, too.
We just always do this. We probably don't need to, right?
Yeah.
But we always do. We make a mark on the chain and the cam gear, right?
Yeah.
So we'll just match it up later. Alright, so I think the front ones are long, the back ones are short. Something like that.
Something like that.
I could go for a burrito. What are we looking at, Jake? We got the two caps, right?
Yeah.
And under each cap, we got a big ass C-clip, right?
Yeah.
Circlip, C-clip. I don't fucking
Don't let it drop down.
No, you want to be
in
very
yonder.
careful and not let it drop down in the engine. Because it'll ruin your day, but in actuality, I think we could probably get it out, right?
Yeah.
So I'm going to put some
Paper towel.
paint towel down in here. We'll be able to grab that later. We get a little piece down in here too, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
The one time I did this, remember we couldn't move the damn sprocket over.
Yeah.
Hey, remember that? You remember that. So, these are marked right side, left side. This one's the right, this is the left. Facing the front, right?
Yeah.
So, carefully get this off. Keep the clip with it. Here's the clip we speak of, right? See that?
Mm-hmm.
Don't let that drop in the engine. We're gonna put this shit right here.
There, yeah.
And this one here, if you don't have the paper towel in there, this is the one that you risk dropping in the engine. And there's the clip. There's the clip. Right?
Yeah.
Now, you want to take and slide this bearing forward, right?
Yup.
So you can lean the camshaft, work the chain off, right?
Mm-hmm.
Pull out the camshaft. Let's put that somewhere safe. Now here, you want to run this screwdriver through the chain just to keep it from falling down in there. Alright, Jake, what are we doing?
Now we gotta get into these cups right here. We gotta check what shims we got in there.
Alright, so use a magnet, put it on the cup, right?
Yeah.
Grab the cup, pull it up slow. The shim should stay with the cup. And it's
Nice.
in there, right? This is the left side, the shim's in the cup, right?
Right.
Right side's got a green dot. It's good to know.
Noted.
You want to pull the shim out without dropping it in the engine. Right? 165 and 140. So, a 165, we need to get more clearance, right?
Yeah. So we need a smaller than 165.
So, what do you want to try? Let's try a 155.
155.
And then what are we going to try on your side?
And then we'll go a 135.
Look at this nice shim kit. Ooh. I tried to tell you that. So what we're going to do is, now we're going to get this in, alright?
Yeah.
Jeez Louise. Alright, so the red mark on our cam is lined up with the red mark on our chain, right?
Yep.
Now we gotta get these caps on, right?
Left.
Don't drop the clip, right?
Right. Mustn't.
mustn't. Hey. What is wrong with this guy? Slice of that,
No.
piece of that.
Little piece of that.
Alright, let's check our clearances. Clearance.
Clearance. 3 goes in.
3 goes in.
I think. It went in. Yeah, 3 goes in. 3
Both
does
sides?
not go in. 3 doesn't go in on the right, but it goes in on the left.
Alright.
We got a 120 in there now.
We got a 120. If you go on this awesome website, if I can get all these fucking ads off of here, right?
Thumper top.
Thumper Talk. The question was, you know, what size, if you got to go smaller than a 1.20, right?
Yeah.
And this guy has that same problem. Basically, what they're saying is, if you got to go smaller than 1.20, the smallest shim is a 1.2 in a kit, right?
Yeah.
Using a 1.2 shim means the valve edge is deadly thin and can break off.
Nice.
I personally wouldn't go past a 1.35. So we gotta look at some damn valves.
Valves. Yeah.
Because I mean, if we drop a fucking valve or break a valve off, game over,
Real
man.
sad. Yeah.
What do you think of that?
Nice. Good news.
Good, big day for valves.
Big day. Big win for Honda.
Yeah. Good old Honda. Alright, so basically where we're at is, the shims are way too thin, so I guess we're just going to have to put new valves in it. So we're going to have to find some valves, and next video on this bike will be changing out the valves. So if you like this video, click like and subscribe, and go work on something.
Don't work on something.
Son of a bitch!